Are you ready for Inktober 2024? To be sure, let's check it. Have you defined your goal? Why do you participate in the challenge? The source of motivation to achieve it. At the end of the month, you should be proud of yourself because you'll have fulfilled your objective. It's what motivates you throughout the whole month. If you're thinking of surrendering, your motivation should help you. It could be composing with only 3 colors, improving your shadow skill, inking more confidently. Be careful if you want to prove to yourself you can achieve it. The why behind shouldn't be too high to attain. So define an acceptable and realizable target. Yes, you need one. Your ambition must be achievable. For it, you have to deal with your good friend, time. It's a hard truth, but if you have a bad estimation of your time and not a good organization, it's going to be difficult to draw 31 illustrations in 1 month. Beware, I didn't say it's impossible, but you have to deal with the following points. How much time can you allow yourself by day? What can you draw in this time? For example, if you assume you can allow 20 minutes by day to your drawing challenge, what can you do completely in 20 minutes? Oh, and if it's 5 minutes by day, it's totally okay. Remember that time is finite. Again, ask yourself, how much time can you pour in the challenge? Can you fill an A4 paper in 20 minutes? You should consider the format. I know I can't fill an A4 format every day in 20 minutes, even an A5. Of course, this advice is invalid if you decide to make an illustration composed of every word of your prompt list. Do you know what can consume your precious time? Thinking about what tools you should use. If you're short in time, you shouldn't think about whether you use watercolor, pencil, ink, or which color you should use. Limit tools. Even picking color takes time. And of course, before starting the challenge, check the usability of your tools. Starting with an empty pen or something that doesn't work is really uncomfortable. And you should not start with a, oh, I'll buy it and starting tomorrow. Nah, 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 nah. Okay, next 2 points are for those who are running out of time or want to save time or know they are not freestyler. Do you know why prompt lists are available 1 month or more before the beginning? I don't know about you, but when you're not inspired by a world or you have an exhaustive journey and you plan to finish it by completing a step of your challenge, how do you deal with blank page syndrome? So prepare your prompt list to save time and preserve you from blank page syndrome. I'm gonna do the same exercise in the next video. The truth is, October is in less than 1 week and I don't start it. And last but not least, your station should be ready. A lot of books suggest you to have a proper station to build a new habit. Then, a huge amount of energy is unnecessary to start. Just go to your session and complete your challenge. And if you're like me, with a lack of space, find a way to install you fast without cleaning before. So, if you have defined everything before, your tools and paper should be ready at your station or very easy to deploy. If you're on tablet, link your Five application very accessible. If you're on computer, ask to launch your software after opening your session. No excuse. So, to resume the checklist, you have defined your goal, the time you can allow, the formats, your tools, get your prompt list and ID ready, and get your station ready or very accessible. Everything should be made to have the least hassle to reach your goal in a time that can fit your schedule every day. If you're unsure, don't worry. Maybe it will be a mess, but why not making a few adjustments every week? At the end, you'll know what fits you and you will have learned for your next month's challenge. And somewhere, even if you didn't achieve this challenge, you'll know yourself better. If you struggle to find an objective that keeps you motivated, ask someone to reward you with a small but attractive thing, like a cake. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, take care, see you on the next video for the prompt list dissection. No idea to keep you motivated? Think about a reward for you, like an amount of money to spend or something you want. If you achieve the challenge, you got it. Otherwise, give it to someone you hate or an organization you dislike. Only if your no time reason is not valid.